Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Notion remix. First, understand that a Notion remix is essentially taking an existing template or page and customizing it to fit your specific needs or aesthetic. This process allows you to add your unique touch, integrate new features, and share a truly personalized workspace with others. It's about transforming a good idea into your perfect solution. Before diving into the creation, it's crucial to plan your remix effectively. Start by selecting the Notion template or page you wish to transform. Next, collect all the elements you want to incorporate, like custom icons, specific databases, or unique text blocks. Thinking about your remix's purpose and who will use it will guide your design choices, ensuring a cohesive and valuable outcome. Now, let's get to building your custom remix. Begin by duplicating the original Notion page or template you selected. This creates a safe working copy. Then, start integrating your new content, arranging blocks, and adjusting the layout to optimize flow and usability. Don't forget to personalize the visual elements, like changing colors, selecting new fonts, and adding custom icons to truly make it your own. Once your Notion remix is complete, it's time to share your hard work with the world. Adjust the sharing settings to ensure others can view or duplicate your page as intended. Share your unique creation with friends, colleagues, or online communities. Remember, the process doesn't end here. Gather feedback and be open to making further improvements. Continuous refinement helps your remix evolve and become even more impactful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.